This lesson I am going to discuss about the equation of a horizontal line and equation of a vertical line. Now a horizontal line has the same value of y while the value of x changes, whereas on a vertical line the value of x is constant whereas the value of y keeps on changing. We can relate it to this shape, may be helpful. Now this is level number 0. Suppose this is a building, level number 0, level number 1, level number 2, level number 3. As we move vertically, the value of levels changes from level 0 to level 1, then to level 2, then to level 3. So we are moving vertically, so value of y is changing, whereas the x, all these x are constant. This x, this value of x over here, if this is 1, then here it is also 1, here it is also 1, here it is also 1. So when you are moving vertically, the value of y changes, levels changes, whereas x remain constant. Whereas on a particular level, suppose we are at level 0, ground level. When we are at this level, then upon moving the values of x, upon moving in horizontal direction, we are basically changing the value of x. If x is 0 over here, x is 1 over here, x is 2 over here. So movement on a horizontal line doesn't changes the value of y, whereas the value of x changes. Whereas movement along a vertical line changes the values of y while x remains constant. Exercise 2C-D2. We have been given line 1 and line 2. In part A, we have to basically write the equation of the given horizontal lines. Now this is line number 1, a horizontal line. The equation of this line is y is equal to 6. How? This line is passing through a value of y. From y-axis, this line is crossing at this point where the value of y is 6. Now you can check this. On this line the value of y is 6. The value of y is constant. How? Suppose I am taking this point over here. Now at this point the value of x is 1 while the value of y is still 6. At this point the value of x is 0, as you can see, while the value of y is 6. You can take any other point. Suppose at this point the value of x is minus 3 while the value of y is still 6. So you have observed that on this line the value of y is constant while the value of x is changing. This is how you can describe this line. So the equation for this line is y is equal to a constant which is 6. Y is a constant value on this line, 6, 6, 6 and so on. So y is equal to 6 is the answer for this one. Line number 2. First of all, observe that is line number 2 is passing through which value of y? Now this is passing through minus 2. So you can write its equation as y is equal to minus 2, because on this line the value of y is minus 2. You can check the value of y over here. Suppose the value of x is 1 while the value of y over here is minus 2. The value of x here is 0, value of y is minus 2, value of x here is minus 2, value of y is minus 2. You have observed that value of y is minus 2, so value of y is constant throughout the line, whereas the value of x is changing, minus 2, then 0, then 1 and then so on. So the equation for this line is y is equal to minus 2, because y is constant throughout this line. In the graph, draw each of the lines with the following equations: y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 3.5, mean 3.5, and we have to describe these lines as well. Y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3 will be a line which is passing through this value of y, this one. This is y equal to minus 3. This is y-axis and the value for y is minus 3. So pass a line through y equal to minus 3. Pass a line through that. Now this is equation for y is equal to minus 3. Now y is same, y is constant, y is minus 3 throughout this line. At any point y will be minus 3, whereas x is changing. So you can describe it as, on this line y is equal to minus 3, y is constant, that is minus 3, whereas the value of x is changing. Now the second line is y is equal to 3.5 means 3.5. So where is 3.5? This is, first of all we have to go on which axis? Y axis. We have been given the value of y 3.5. So go on the y axis, because y will be on the y axis. Y is 3.5 and y will be on which axis? Y axis. So go on y axis, look for the number 3.5, that is over here, this one. Now pass a line through this value. This is y equal to 3.5. This is y equal to 3.5. Now this is the equation for this line, and we have drawn this line on the graph. Now what is the basically description of this line? On this line the value of y is a constant. Y constant, y is not changing. Y is 3.5 anywhere on this line, you can check that. Over here x is 1, y is 3.5. Over here x is 4, y is 3.5. X is 4, y is 3.5. Any point on this line will give you the same value of y, which is 3.5. So y is constant throughout this line while x is changing. This is the description for this line. Keep watching. Thank you so much.